The following are the national records in athletics in Colombia maintained by its National Athletics Federation, Federación Colombiana de Atletismo, FECODATLE. Outdoor. Key to tables, awaiting ratification record not kept by FECODATLE. Plus equals en route to a longer distance. HTE equals hand timing. Of equals affected by altitude. Number equals not officially ratified by Federation. Of equals aided road course according to IF Rule 260.28. Men. Women. Indoor. Men. Women. References. External links. FECODATLE website. Colombian athletics records.